Hi, today we will learn about the phrase go into doing something. This phrase means to start or become involved in an activity. Usually, it talks about jobs or hobbies. For example, she went into teaching. That means she started working as a teacher. Notice that go into is inseparable. You cannot say go into. Also, after go into, we use the verb with ing. For example, go into studying, not go into study. You can say he went into medicine or he went into becoming a doctor. This phrase often shows a choice or decision. It is common when talking about careers. Try to use it when you want to say you started something new. For example, I want to go into marketing. Remember, do not separate go and into, and always use the gerund form after it. Now, let's practice. Can you make a sentence with go into and a verb ending in ing? Great. Keep practicing, and you will use this phrase naturally. Thanks for watching. See you next time.